Hello, I'm Design Guy. I'll show you how to make your text pop with a double outline in Canva. Click Create to start a new project. Choose Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, click Text and add a text box to your design. You can type any message here. We'll use double outline as an example. Adjust the text as needed to fit your style. Next, change the font by clicking on the Font drop-down menu. Browse through the available options and select any font you prefer. For this example, I'll choose the Celadine font. The text will update to reflect your selection. Click Position in the toolbar, then choose Center from the options. Next, go to the Effects menu and click on it. From there, select your desired effect to apply it to your selected object or layer. Select the outline, then set the thickness to 150. Next, change the outline color to white. This will make the outline more prominent and visible against your design. Remember to apply the changes so the updates take effect immediately in your project. Select the text, then press Ctrl D on your keyboard to create a duplicate. With the new copy selected, go to the outline option again. This allows us to apply a different outline effect to the duplicated text layer and creates a distinct look from the original version. Set the thickness value to 200 by typing 200 in the thickness field. Next, change the outline color to black. This will update the object with a thicker outline and ensure the border appears clearly against any background. Click Position again, then select Center. Press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the change. Finally, send this adjusted object to the desired location to continue. Click the Layer menu, then select Send to Back to move the text behind other elements. Once the text is positioned, click the Share button to share your updated design. Increase the image quality by adjusting the size slider, or manually enter a value. Alternatively, select the image to set your preferred quality. Click and drag the corner to increase the size of the object, then move it to the center of the screen for better alignment. Save your image as a PNG. Select the transparent background option, and click Download to export your file with a clear background for versatile use. You're all set to make double outline text effects in Canva. Like this tip? Hit like and subscribe for more design hacks.